friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading with 101. In this video, I will be analyzing and predicting the market week ahead for XAUUSD from 27 till 1st May. Let's begin. I will be analyzing the market at an one-day chart. We can see that the gold market has been closed from around 1727. It's the bullish move has started from some around 1450, which is a lower low for this bullish move, and the higher high for the bullish move is some around 1756. We can draw a trend line showing us the bullish move, giving us a clear picture. Over here we can see that the market has been respecting the trend line for about 2 to 3 times, as some around the market is respecting the trend line and taking the support and bounces off from 1484 towards 1653, which is a great move. And these kinds of moves can take around 2 to 3 months in gold. However, currently due to the current volatility, the market has jumped from its support and reached its higher high for about 1645 in less than 10 days. Then there was a short correction. Then the market again tested the trend line from some around 1584, then jumped back, and then is now the market is currently retesting the trend line. The history always repeats itself. As we can see, the trend line is being respected. Thus, I am expecting a bullish move from here. Moreover, we can also see an ascending channel being formed, as I will show you. We can also see an ascending channel being formed, as from 1510 we can take this resistance line. I always draw my support and resistance in zones. Here the ascending channel, I am currently drawing the ascending channel resistance zone. Here we can see that the market is respecting the resistance zone. As we can see, the market bounces for an correction after hitting the resistance zones around 1707. Then the second resistance bounce off was from around 1679, then from 1694, and the current move from which the market bounces off was some around 1747. Now I will be drawing the support zone for the channel. We can see that the market also respects the support zone, as when the market reached some around 1554, it bounces back and tested the resistance over here some around 1680, then bounces back to test the support some around 1583, then it bounces back to test the resistance some around 1693. However, the market after this move breaks the support and bounces downwards and continued its move. This was due to the panic selling in order to meet the margin calls. Then the bullish trend continued and we have drawn a trend line. Now what I am expecting for the week ahead, for a continuation of a bullish move towards 1775 to 1780 zone. Then I am expecting a bounce off from 1780, breaking the trend line towards 1699 or 16 or 1710. We can wait for the market to break the trend line in order to take the sale position. We can either wait for the market to reach the 1780 to make a sale position, or if the trend line is broken and the daily candle closes below the trend line, thus a sale position can be triggered. According to my perspective, now we should, on Monday when the market opens, we should open a long position within TP or a take profit of around 1770, wherein the stop loss and take profit is shown. This gives us a risk to reward of around 1.1:2. 1:2. However, if the market reached 1780, thus a sale position can be created, which will be a high reward and low risk trade, wherein stop loss and take profit, the stop loss would be around some 1800. The stop loss would be around 1800 and the TP would be around 1696 to 1710. This is there would be a 1:4 risk to reward. The risk to reward ratio would be 1:4. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my analysis, please do like, share and comment below to tell me whether you agree with my analysis or not. Thanks for watching.